This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Harriet Doub. Beautiful brick ranch on January 2nd acre lot. Lovely sunroom, 16 by 25, and large deck. Hardwood floors, replaced windows. Updates: refrigerator, new gas logs and gas installation, electric panel box and circuit breakers, oil furnace, air conditioner, 2014, new oil tank, 20 kW standby generator, 10 years warranty, flowing floor plan. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Harriet Doub at 757-422-2200.